Hello everyone, welcome to Experts Prime Team's YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing about the Champions League match between Borussia and Real Madrid. Borussia were denied victory in their Group B opener last week as Romelu Lukaku struck in the final minute to earn Inter Milan a 2-2 draw at the San Siro. However, Borussia earned a 3-2 win over Mainz in Bundesliga on Saturday to make it 5 games unbeaten in all competitions. Coming to the team news, they said to be without defensive trio Poulsen, Bayer and Dokure as well as midfielder Denis Zakaria and Lazaro. Midfielder Laszlo Benes missed the weekend win over Mainz. However, he is expected to be fit before this match. Coming to the Real Madrid team, Real Madrid responded impressively to back-to-back home defeat in order to, with a win in first El Clasico of the season with an impressive 3-1 victory over rivals Barcelona on Saturday. It was a positive end to a bad week for Real. Zinedine Zidane's sides lost twice at home at the Bernabeu as they went down 1-0 to Cadiz in La Liga as well as 3-2 to Shakhtar Donetsk in the Champions League. They have lost in 3 matches at their home ground. They have lost to Cadiz and Shakhtar. However, Zidane's team come back with an impressive win over Barcelona. The final scoreline was 3-1. Sergio Ramos, Federico Valverde, as well as midfield mastermind Luka Modric. All 3 of them were scored in the much needed win over Barcelona. Real Madrid will be without right back Dani Carvajal. His second option Nacho has also picked up a knock in the last match. So we think that Lucas Vazquez will be the one going to play in right back position. Along with Dani Carvajal, forward Odegaard will also be unavailable for this match. However, Zidane will be boosted by the availability of Odriozola, Eden Hazard and Mariano Diaz. However, we are still not sure if any of them will start here. We think that almost every one of the first team 11 which started against Barcelona will also start this match also. Coming to the expected lineup for Borussia, Sommer will be the goalkeeper. Jinder, Elvedi, Leiner and Benzebeni. This will be the 4 players who will be playing in defensive sections. In midfield, we have Stindl, Nihos as well as Hoffman. These 3 players will be the one going to be played in midfield section. In defensive section, we have Kramer and Thuram. Where is Thuram? Thuram. So this will be the 5 players who will be playing in midfield section. Embolo is not available. I think Plea will be the solo striker. So this is the midfield and attacking players who will be starting the match for Borussia. For Real Madrid, Courtois was very impressive in the match against Barcelona. So Courtois will be the one going to start the match. Center back position, as usual, Varane and Ramos will start the match. Fernando Mendy is expected to start the match in left back position. In right back, if Zidane wished to give Odriozola some rest for a few more minutes. See, if Odriozola, we know that he is coming after picking up an injury, recovering from an injury, so he may not be risked here. We think that Lucas Vasquez will be the one going to play in right back position. So this is the defensive players for Real Madrid. In midfield, both Valverde and Modric were very impressive in last match, and both of them have scored also. However, only one among these players will start the match. We think Modric has clear advantage here. Cruz will be the one join him along with Casemiro. In attacking section, we have Benzema and impressive young duo Rodrigo and Vinicius. This will be the attacking players for Real Madrid. Now coming to the demo team for Real Madrid, we think Real Madrid have clear advantage here. They will be very motivated after the impressive win over Barcelona and will not be doing any mistake in order to trouble that winning momentum. They will be hoping to build on that victory over Barcelona. So we will be picking Benzema, Vinicius, Cruz and Luka Modric in our team, along with Ramos, Varane and Mendy. Sommer will be the goalkeeper. Now Hoffman is a must pick. Stindl is a must pick. Thuram is a must pick. So these are the players we have selected for demo team. We will be picking Benzema as our captain and Modric as our vice captain. So this is our demo team. You can pick Cruz also as your vice captain. Ramos is also a big option. Actually, Ramos is the one going to take penalties for Real Madrid. In Champions League, penalties are expected, so you can pick Ramos as vice captain as well. Vice captain or captain, you can pick Ramos as well. So this is our demo team for today's Champions League match between Real Madrid and Borussia. For latest team news and info, you can subscribe our YouTube channel and as well as our Telegram channel. You can take a look at our Prime plans in our official website. We all of our team members are working very hard in order to provide very good Dream 11 teams. You can make your own teams along with our detailed match previews and all. So we request you to check our website and our Telegram channel also. Thanking every one of you. This is Espers Prime Team signing off.